Welcome to CS Tutorials. For this session, our topic is Execution Policy in PowerShell. PowerShell's execution policy is a safety feature that controls the conditions under which PowerShell loads the config files, and you can also run your PowerShell scripts. This feature helps to prevent the execution of malicious scripts. Execution policy is not a security system that can restrict user actions. For example, user can easily bypass a policy by typing the script content at the command line when they cannot run a script. Instead, the execution policy helps user to set basic rules and prevents them from violating those unintentionally. In this session, we will see how we can set execution policies. I have created one sample PowerShell script and placed it in my C drive. When I tried to execute this one, I got a error message that this file cannot be loaded because running script is disabled on this system. To make any changes in execution policy on a system, we have a command module set execution policy. To know details about it, like how we can use this command, pass it as a parameter to get help. This will return to you its name, synopsis, syntax, description, and other related links. If you pass examples as a parameter to the same command, it will return you multiple scenarios in which you can use set execution policy command with different parameters like execution policy, scope. To get all the execution policies that affect the current session and display them in precedence order, use below command get execution policy with list parameter. Result looks similar to the following sample output. In this case, effective execution policy is restricted because machine policy scope has more precedence. So I will make changes in execution policy and assign new value remote assigned so that I can execute my custom PowerShell script here. As you can see in snapshot, my local machine scope is already changed to remote sign. Still I am not able to execute my custom PowerShell script and I am getting the same error message that this file cannot be loaded because running scripts is disabled on this system. Why? Because as I already mentioned, machine policies has more precedence than local machine. So I need to make changes at machine policy level. But as you can see, this is not possible with set execution policy command. You need to go in the registry and edit the following PowerShell key. You need to make changes in one attribute execution policy, assign value remote sign, or you can simply run one PowerShell command to make the same changes. Once you executed this command, you will see your machine policy scope is changed to remote sign. Now once we will execute our sample script, we will see it is successfully executed and output is available. Thanks for watching this video. For more videos like this, please subscribe our channel and for new video updates, press the bell icon. Thank you.